Pydantic AI agents, the framework's primary mechanism for interacting with large language models, facilitate complex AI workflows by encapsulating instructions, tools, and configuration. This example demonstrates how to initialize an agent and execute a synchronous run while incorporating both agent-level and per-run metadata. The upcoming code will illustrate the instantiation of an agent with a defined deps type for dependency injection and the application of metadata through Lambda functions, followed by a synchronous execution using agent run sync to retrieve an output and associated metadata.
From data classes, import data class. From Pydantic AI import agent. At data class. Class deps. Tenant, SDR. Agent deps. OpenAI, GPT-5.2. Deps type equals deps. Metadata equals lambda CTX. Tenant, CTX. Deps tenant hash agent level metadata. Result equals agent, run sync. What is the capital of France? Deps equals deps tenant 123. Metadata equals lambda CTX. Num requests, CTX usage, requests hash per run metadata. Print result, output. The capital of France is Paris. Print result, metadata. Tenant 123, num requests, 1.
This Pydantic AI code demonstrates dependency injection and metadata management within an agent run. The agent is initialized with a deps type of deps, a data class, enabling type-safe dependency passing. Agent-level metadata is configured via a lambda that accesses CTX, deps, tenant, ensuring the tenant ID is consistently attached to all runs. During agent run sync, an instance of deps is provided via the deps argument, fulfilling the deps type contract. Per-run metadata is also supplied as a lambda, which dynamically captures CTX, usage, requests after the run completes. This layered approach to metadata allows for both static, agent-wide context and dynamic, run-specific metrics to be collected and accessed from the result metadata. Let's break it down.
From data classes, import data class.
Imports the data class decorator from Python's standard data classes module, which is used to automatically generate methods like init, repr, and ec for classes.
From Pydantic AI import agent.
Imports the agent class from the Pydantic AI library, making it available for creating AI agents.
At data class. Class deps. Tenant, SDR.
Defines a data class named deps with a single field, tenant, which is expected to be a string.
Agent deps. OpenAI, GPT-5.2. Deps type equals deps.
An agent instance is being created and assigned to the variable agent. This agent is configured to use the OpenAI GPT-5.2 model and specifies deps as its dependency type for static type checking.
Metadata equals lambda CTX. Tenant, CTX. Deps tenant hash agent level metadata.
Assigns a lambda function to the metadata parameter, which dynamically creates a dictionary containing a tenant key whose value is retrieved from the tenant attribute of the deps object within the provided CTX context.
Result equals agent, run sync. What is the capital of France?
Calls the run sync method on the agent object, passing the string, "What is the capital of France?" as the input prompt. The method executes synchronously and returns a run result containing the agent's completed response.
Print result, output. The capital of France is Paris.
Prints the output attribute of the result object, which contains the final response from an agent run to the console.
Print result, metadata. Tenant 123, num requests, 1.
Prints the metadata attribute of the result object, which is a dictionary containing. This example demonstrates how Pydantic AI agents streamline complex AI workflows by integrating dependency injection and flexible metadata management. The agent is initialized with a deps type, here a data class named deps, which enables type-safe passing of dependencies like a tenant ID. This deps type is then fulfilled at runtime by providing an instance of deps to the deps argument of agent, run, sync. A key takeaway is the layered approach to metadata. Agent-level metadata, configured during agent initialization, consistently attaches context like the tenant ID to all runs. Complementing this, per-run metadata supplied during run sync dynamically captures run-specific details such as CTX, usage, requests. Both are accessed from the result metadata dictionary, providing a comprehensive view of each agent execution. This separation allows for both broad contextual tagging and granular, dynamic metric collection, ensuring that each agent run is fully traceable and contextualized.
Agent metadata persists, yet each run sculpts its own transient metadata, overriding with fresh insight.